Where do Australian businesses go to get their office supplies? Well, Officeworks, of course, and that's where I'm at today. Officeworks was established in 1994, and since then they've grown to be about 168 stores located all around Australia. And what do they offer? Well, everything from technology, furniture, and even coffee. It's a busy place here at Officeworks, a lot of products on the floor, a lot of customers and a lot of staff to support those customers, because customer service is critical here at Officeworks. Now, they have been working with mobile computing devices for many years, but some challenges started to emerge, and those challenges were around the robustness of the solution, the end of life of the solution, and some reliability issues that started to emerge around their mobile POS solution. So the only answer was to shift to a new mobile computing device. What device did they choose? Well, the Zebra TC52X. Katie Staffis is joining us from Officeworks. Now, Katie, you have new devices here at Officeworks. Why did you need these new devices?
The device we were currently using was actually end of life, so we were looking for something a bit more robust, suited the role of the team member in the store, and the Zebra device fit the bill.
There was a whole bunch of new functionality that you wanted to add here at Officeworks with your mobile devices. What was the key criteria when it came to selecting a device?
Yeah, sure. So we did have a few key criteria that we wanted to meet. One being the ruggedness of the device, so something that's going to survive the day in the life of a team member at Officeworks. Secondly, the scan function, so the ability for the team member to efficiently scan tickets, inventory, other daily tasks, just to increase that efficiency. And thirdly, the NFC chip. So that was something we really were looking for, so we could enable mobile payment across the store, so the ability to pay anywhere.
Katie, as you mentioned, mobile POS was a key feature of the next generation of mobile devices you're using here, and of course the TC52X allows you to do that. Now, really interested to know, how are you using all this functionality in the store?
Yeah, that's a good question. So recently, all our stores are now using the Airpay Tap functionality, so we integrated that with our own POS system. The team members love it. They can transact with customers anywhere in the shop, particularly the furniture floor where our big and bulky items are. So they can transact, the customer can pick up the item from the receiving area or just walk out the door to their car. No need for physical receipts anymore because we SMS. So it's been a game changer, really.
The TC52X devices have been here for over a year. What's the experience been like working with them?
Well, the team members have given us really positive feedback. It's definitely improved the efficiency of their jobs, particularly where they have to scan repetitively. I'd also say the repair bill has gone down compared to our previous devices, so these are excellent, very robust. And overall, it's just been a very smooth transition from the old to the new, so it's been really positive.
Mobile POS is a critical solution here at Officeworks, and the TC52X is assisting them to reliably process payments from within the store. Now, the TC52X has an inbuilt NFC chip that is credit card compliant, coupled with the Quest Airpay app that integrates with the Officeworks POS system, provides a seamless mobile POS application. Nice and simple for the staff to use, no third-party accessories or attachments to the device. That's all you need. Let me tell you a bit about the Zebra TC52X. Well, the TC52X is an enterprise-grade device. It's a rugged device, yet compact at the same time. It's been tested to withstand multiple drops to concrete from 1.2 metres, so nice and tough. But processing speed is important nowadays. A lot of retailers, manufacturing environments, warehouses need to run multiple applications, so you need the processing power, and the TC52X delivers. Another critical thing is the scanning performance, nice high-speed scanning, 1D and 2D barcodes, and of course the battery life, which is critical here at Officeworks with long shifts. Extended battery life, all-day performance, every day. There's also a high definition display and of course the NFC chip that is mounted internally of the device, which allows for that credit card processing compliance as well. Tap and go. It's all here in the TC52X. TC52X has provided a lot of benefit here on the ground at Officeworks. Now remember, they were using another mobile computing solution, but the TC52X addresses some of the issues that they had. It's a more robust solution and more reliable. They've reduced their repair bills because these devices are capable of withstanding multiple drops from 1.2 meters. So less damage to devices, scanning performance has improved, and of course the reliability of their mobile POS system has really gone through the roof. No third-party hardware that needs to attach and Bluetooth connectivity issues, etc. So the NFC chip embedded into the TC52X has been a big winner. And of course the battery life. Battery life is substantially increased, which means you can get through a full day of work without worrying about whether the device is going to be working or not. It's always a pleasure to come and visit some of Australia's biggest retailers such as Officeworks, and big thank you to Officeworks for allowing us to come and look at their TC52X mobile computer and how they're using it, especially around their mobile POS. Now if you want to find out more about the Zebra range of mobile computing solutions so you too can expand your retail mobile POS applications, just jump online, visit zebra.com.